Well, the thing is, you just might not know it yet. The more you spend time on your phone, is the more you would get distracted. So today, I want to share a few tips about how I have learned to spend less time on my phone. When we first wake up in the morning, everyone does the same exact thing. We grab our phone, check our messages, scrolling Facebook, Instagram, and I would say this is not the best way to start your day. The first thing you should do when you wake up in the morning, you should put your energy towards what's matter the most. When you wake up, it is important for you to stay focused, set your mentality, your mindset that I have to go for a walk, I have to study, and remind yourself, I don't want my phone to be the first thing I do. So the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning, I would wash my face and go for a computer class. And I keep my cell phone at home while I go for the computer class because I don't want to be distracted and I just want to concentrate in a class. And I only take my phone whenever it is necessary in a class to make some project. You may have woken up in the morning at peace or fully focused. However, the moment you grab your phone, you are letting everything into your headspace. It could be a bad news story. It could be a message that you don't want to see. The use for phone has changed a lot over the past years. Phones are amazing tools. They are outstanding pieces of technology. However, like I said, with a lot of things that are addicted or distraction, I would say I want to use my phone. I don't want my phone to use me. I want to have my phone. I don't want my phone to have me. While I'm working on my laptop or reading in notes, one thing I love to do is that I just keep my phone away from me. I will put it in another room or I will keep it on my study table. So if somebody calls me, I have to take an extra step to grab my phone. However, in my opinion, a text is not an emergency. So if somebody really needs you, they will call you. So relax yourself and keep your phone away from you so that you have to take an extra step to grab your phone. And if you want to concentrate while you're studying or watching a movie, you have to keep your phone away from you and it will be helpful for you to stay focused. It is important that we must distance ourselves and limit the amount of time that we spend on our phone. And it is also important that we don't spend our life with our face stuck in our phone. So we can look at it many different ways. If you spend less time on your phone, you can study, you can spend some time with your family, and you can spend some time with your friends as well. If your phone is on a table or near to you, you're thinking about it. So decide yourself not to spend more time on your phone, and it will change your thinking process, and I can guarantee it. And that's gonna help you to learn, help you to progress as a person. You have a good life, I have a good life. It is not perfect. However, we are blessed that we have a good relationship with our family, with our friends that deserve our full attention. And we will regret and miss one day if we don't spend our time with them and give our full attention like we should. You have to take steps into this, and I'm not expecting everyone should follow my step. No, not at all. I'm just want you to develop your habit, and I started with 1 or 2 of these and I learned more as I went on. So pick one or two of these and start progressing and say, I will try once, I'll do my best, and these steps can help you to spend less time on your phone during several hours of the day. So I guess that's the end of the video. I hope I could share my few tips with some of you guys out there and motivate you to do the same. If you find it useful, let me know in the comments, and feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification if you don't want to miss up any update on upcoming. So yeah, I hope you all guys have a great day. Until then, see you soon. Take care. Kardom.